Tango Florida 8 Kilo Yankee. This is Tango Foxtrot 8 Kilo Yankee listening.
2 Whiskey 1 Hotel Oscar Whiskey.
Station ending whiskey.
2 Whiskey 1 Hotel Ocean Whiskey. 2 Whiskey 1 Hotel Oscar Whiskey. QSO.
Please remind me on top of the station after this. Thank you for the call. Please stand by. And 2 Whiskey 1 Hotel Oscar Whiskey, Tango Foxtrot 8 Kilo Yankee. Thank you for the call. 59 report here in Southern Iceland near Reykjavik. Fine copy from Wales. Name here Kelly Kilo Echo Lima India. Kelly, QSO.
Okay, QSO there, Kenneth, and you're 5 and 9, 59 into Wales in the UK. And very happy Christmas to you. Back to you.
Yeah, QSO, thanks for the 59. And yes, I think my name is, maybe I forgot to say my name is Kelly, Kilo Echo Lima India. Kelly, my name here is Southern Iceland near Reykjavik, about 20 miles to the west of Reykjavik. What, could I have your name for a lot, please, or?
Okay there, Kenny. Yeah, my name is Gareth. Golf Alpha Radio Echo Tango Hotel. Gareth, QSO.
Yeah, QSO, Gareth. Excellent copy. Thank you very much for calling in, and all the best to you and family in Wales, and hope to see you soon on New Year. And 2 Whiskey 1 Hotel Oscar Whiskey, Tango Foxtrot 8 Kilo Yankee. All the best. Take care. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, 73.